In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to update all drivers in Windows 11. First method is update all drivers from Windows Update from Microsoft Server. Right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left menu pane, click on Windows Update. First, you will find an option here, Get Latest Update as soon as possible when available. Now it's turned off, just turn it on. And then click on Check for Update. This process will show you a list of all driver updates if needed, and you can download and install those updates. In my case, drivers are up to date. Now close settings. If you want, you can update driver one by one. Now I am going to show you how to update driver one by one. Go to Device Manager. Here I am going to update my network adapter. Right click on the network adapter and then click on Update Driver. Here you will find two options, one search automatically and another one browse my computer. Click on search automatically. The base drivers for your device are already installed. In this way, you can update any device driver from Device Manager. I am updating display adapter. That's it. This is the easiest way to update drivers in Windows 11 computer.